Newsela Admin, one of the fastest ways to support teacher onboarding is by using Newsela's Getting Set Up communication kits. These resources are designed to help you communicate the right login method and setup steps to teachers based on your school's or district's integration. To get started, visit the Help Center for Admins and IT section in the Newsela Help Center. From there, open Getting Set Up Communication Kits. Next, select the communication kit that matches your integration, like Google Classroom, ClassLink, Canvas, Schoology, or Clever, or a rostering option paired with Google Classroom or Canvas. Each kit includes two key resources: a teacher guide with step-by-step instructions, and a ready-to-use email template or admin faculty announcement you can send directly to teachers. Use these materials to tell teachers how to log in, how to get started, and what to expect during setup. You can also review Getting Teachers Started for Administrators for additional guidance in choosing the right login method, encouraging teachers to create classes, and supporting professional learning. By using these guides and templates, you can save time, reduce confusion, and help teachers get started with Newsela more smoothly.